Ahí está.
Okay, so you guys, if you need to say something, raise your hand, or you can also use the chat. Okay, you can write something. If you want to say something, you raise your hand and you can write it on the chat, or you can, okay, Sophia, do you want to say something? Tell me, Sophia. Use your microphone.
The drawing too.
No, ya estoy acá.
Drawing.
Yeah, I saw that. You did it. Michael, the last week, you were supposed to do an assignment. Do you remember? Was Michael, he was asking me something. Alma, do you want to say something? Okay. So I'm going to share the class for you. Yeah, Denise, the movie. Excellent, Denise. Okay, so I'm going to show you something here. Is everybody able to see the screen? Are you seeing the Moodle course?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So if you Moodle for this week, we are going to have a new assignment. It's this one. It's practice 2. Okay? And you have till Monday, next week Monday, to do it. Got it? So you guys, you are supposed to do it by using this presentation. So I'm going to explain today how do we get from this to this, okay? Okay, so the first thing you need to know is that the digestive system is a group of organs that take care of converting food into poop, okay? And in that process, we are going to obtain nutrients to sustain the body, okay? Everybody understand that part? Do you have any questions so far? Okay, so moving on, the digestive system is going to have several organs working together. The main one is the stomach. We also have the esophagus and the small intestine, the large intestine. We have rectum, anus, okay? We also have another organ, which is the liver, and also the pancreas, okay? So the digestion begins on the mouth. And this is the place where you put the food and you're going to break that food into smaller pieces. And then using the saliva, you're going to make the food moist. That is going to allow you to swallow the food, okay? So the food is going to be transformed into a bolus, as you can see here. It's like a mass of food and saliva. After we have that bolus, that mass is going down through the esophagus. The esophagus is also called windpipe. So the esophagus is a tube, as you can see here on the image, that is going to connect the mouth to your stomach. The food goes down and we have this thing called epiglottis. That is the one that is going to protect us from choking because cover the windpipe or the esophagus so it doesn't go any other way, any other place, okay? Okay, so after the food goes down through the esophagus, it's going to the stomach. And the stomach is this huge bag. It looks like a letter J. And it's going to be full of acid juices. Those juices are going to break down the food even more. So when they go to the small intestine, they are able to eat
No tiene que ponerle.
right on it.
No se escucha.
Fernando, I need you to place your microphone in silence, please. Thank you, sweetie. Okay. So why do we call a small intestine to this one if it's going to be the longest one? Because it is smaller in diameter, okay? It's going to be smaller, but it's going to be longer. Got it? Do we have any questions so far? Anybody? No? Okay. I know you guys are smart. So, yes, Victoria, you are. Okay, so moving on, we have next the large intestine, okay? This is the one where the body is going to take all of the water left from that mass that was absorbed in the small intestine. And then that is going to be transferred into poop. Poop. Exactly, poop. And after it has no more water on it, it goes straight to the rectum and away from the anus. And this is why we get this one, this little guy here. So, what can go wrong in the digestive system? Well, a lot of things can go wrong. And it's going to depend mostly of the food you eat. Okay, so we have to be really careful about the things we put inside our mouth. So the first thing that is really common is heartburn. This is like a painful burning. It has nothing to do with the heart. It's called heartburn because you're gonna feel it like in your chest. So people sometimes think like, oh my God, I'm having a heart attack. No, you're just having indigestion, okay? So this is why you need to be eating healthy food and not drinking water right away after eating. This is really important. So things like smoking and drinking alcoholic beverage and all of this fast food are going to cause heartburn. So this is why we need to avoid this and all of those things, especially keeping your weight into a healthy average, okay? So another thing that I know everybody hates is this one, diarrhea. Nobody likes having diarrhea, right? So this is when you have loose and watery pooping, and it's like frequently, and it's caused because of sometimes some types of food, some diseases like virus, bacteria, parasites. Some medications can also cause diarrhea. Lactose intolerance, which I know some of you have that, and other disorders like, for example, the celiac disease, which is related to gluten intolerance. So as you see, we can avoid having diarrhea by avoiding some types of food and by not putting a lot of things into our mouth, like the pencils. When you're thinking, chewing the pencils, don't do that. Or your hands, we use the hand to touch a lot of things. Don't put your hands into your mouth. Got it? Some questions so far? Everything, it's okay, or you're not getting anything? Everything's okay? Say yes with your head if you're understanding. Wow, good girls. Okay. So, next, another thing that can go wrong with the digestive system will be vomiting. And this is another really uncomfortable situation. I know that nobody likes to throw up, and it's mostly caused by gastroenteritis. It is really frequent between kids because kids are usually sharing their thermos to drink water. They are playing with your hands between each other. And if one of you is sick, then the other one is going to get sick if you don't take your space away from that person. Okay? Also, motion sickness. Some people get sick when they are traveling in a car or using a bus. This is really frequent. I get sick. You know, remember the airport trip? Some of you get sick because of this. This is called motion sickness. And some people get really stressed and that causes them to vomit. It's not that unfrequent. So you guys, everybody understand everything? Yeah, this is a really, really easy class because I know that you are really, really smart kids and you're going to be able to do the practice. Yes, we have a practice this week. Another one. So you have till Monday to complete this one. This is really easy. All the information is
What Monday?
presentation. So these are questions about the presentation. Don't be scared. All the information is there. This is the one question that you're going to have to think about. Use your brain, your wonderful, wonderful brain, to name 3 ways to avoid indigestion. Okay? All you have to do is use your logical thinking to know how you can prevent yourself from being indigested. Okay? And the last one is a cool picture about the digestive system. You see? So we have letters here pointing different organs for the digestive system, and all you have to do is write the name on each letter correctly. Is it hard to do? Do you think this is complicated? Is it easy? You can speak. Hi, Marcos. Hi, Yeldri.
Hi.
Welcome. Okay, so this is the assignment we need to complete for this week. Do you have any questions so far?
I actually
Yeah?
when the actually isn't it the same questions that on the other digestive system? Like you remember the magic school bus assignment?
Uh-huh.
It's practically the same. Okay.
Yeah, but on this one,
And what Monday was it? What Monday for like for what date?
Monday, next Monday.
Monday 23, like today.
No, sweetie, next Monday. Today's Monday.
Oh, okay. Now I understand.
Yeah,
Thanks.
this is due for next Monday. We had an assignment last week. It was like an introduction for you to understand the digestive system. For this one, we are going to go a little bit more. Okay, we are going to see the organs, the functions. I already explained how the digestive system works, and I said that the digestive system is only a group of organs working together to digest food, and we obtain energy and nutrients from that.
Okay, I understand.
Okay.
Like, how do I put this in, people saying here to put it like on mute?
El micrófono de abajo, tú le das clic y se pone mute.
Está bien, pero no me aparece.
Use,
Ok, dale clic
Abajo
a
a
la
la izquierda.
No ha peleado.
use the mouse. If you put it down on the bottom part, you're gonna see a little microphone, and it says,
Ya yo lo vi, ya lo vi.
thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay.
Raymond de mío ahora.
Anybody has any other question? Hi, Jessie. Hi, Amelia.
Profe, la respuesta de esa practice, ¿la sacamos de Moodle?
Yes, sweetie. You have a PowerPoint presentation on Moodle. Every answer is there, okay? I also play a little, it's like a little game. You have a link on the
No se escucha. O sea, se oye raro,
Sí, está como borroso. Como
¿verdad?
que se está
Maybe
escuchando
Es
como
que
en palabras
No escucho
diferentes.
nada.
Es que estático.
Yo no escucho nada.
Ni
okay.
yo, está como en palabras diferentes.
Como un
Está como
robot.
lagueando.
Tranquila.
¿Sí te glitch?
Se está cortando.
O sea, se está poniendo como en palabras diferentes, como que se está
Ajá,
Todo el
cortando
mundo
la
se escucha
palabra.
No se oye. No se oye ya, o sea, se oye estático.
Exacto.
Okay. Mejor ahora.
Pero el mismo 6 de Victoria.
Dice, ahora yo lo escucho mejor. Ustedes hablan en chino, que se pongan en mute.
¿Y tú dices?
Claro.
Que se pongan en mute todo ya.
Ya, pasen mute.
Okay, so, ¿me escucho bien ahora?
Yes.
Sí.
Okay.
Sí, pero
Yes.
Tenemos que estar todos en silencio porque si no se mezclan los sonidos, ¿ok? Ok. I will tell you that there is a that link. No,
Oye, mal desde que empiezan a hablar de tarea.
Profe,
qué coincidencia.
mucho. Desde que tú comenzaste a hablar del trabajo, se escucha más.
Qué coincidencia.
Dios mío.
Wow.
Teacher is bad.
¿Quién será?
No.
Un papel, profe.
But no problem. I can send you an email so you have it on paper on your laptop. That way it won't be any problem. Okay? And guys,
Ahora sí.
also I want to show you this.
Está
Look at
cortado.
this. Let me show you something. Here on Moodle, you're going to have video tutorials made by me. Okay? This one is from last week. If you go there, you're going to see every class explained and everything you need to do is on here, okay? So this week, I'm gonna make another video and I'm gonna put it here. Each week a video, and that way you can have the classes and you can have an explanation for what you need to do. Got it? Understood?
Bianca, ponte en mute.
Thank you, Bianca.
Incómodo.
Okay, do we have any questions so far? Everything is clear? Okay, so you guys,
Yes, this class is too easy.
yeah, I know, because you're too smart, sweetie.
I know that too.
Okay, so humble. Okay, so you guys, also for next week, we are gonna make like a rehearsal for Global Expo. We're gonna do it online, okay? So I need all of you to complete the line.
Y si está cortado.
Escucha cortado.
Exacto.
Está cortado.
Que no le gusta la tarea. A Zoom no le gusta la tarea.
Eso es verdad. Eso es verdad.
No, profe, ya.
No, pero sí para la chelcha sí se
Let's
Que lo
go.
pongan en el chat.
Why
Que lo
do
pongan
it?
en
No
el
es
chat.
coincidencia.
Profe, que lo pongan en el chat y ya, abajo. No sé qué le escucha.
Conspira.
La próxima
¿Por qué tú la tarea
semana.
ahí?
Mira, lo
Para la próxima semana deben completar sus slides de Global Expo, señores.
Y Marco sí se escucha, ¿no?
completado.
Pero,
Es que hablando todo el mundo, no se puede ni escuchar a la profesora.
Es que
Pero que se hablan disparate.
Silencio ya.
help everybody. ¿Qué está pasando?
Ustedes hablan disparate.
Quiet, thank you. Okay, lo puse por el chat. Próxima semana, Global Expo, okay? Deben completar.
I have a
los
question.
slides. Yes? ¿Quién tiene una pregunta?
Me. Like the Global Expo is like we need to present the Global Expo.
Yeah, but it's not like a formal presentation. It's like a rehearsal, okay? I just want to know what you know, what have you learned for your topic? Because I know that every group is an expert on their topic by now, right?
But teacher,
Yes, Laura?
how are we gonna present? We're like trancados en cuarentena, esta vaina.
Laura, no es
Online.
así. O sea, tú dices lo que tú te
Online.
aprendiste ya. Tú dices lo que tú te aprendiste ya, sí. Creo.
Exactly. All you have to do is say, what have you learned from this experience? And we're gonna do it like
Present.
now, okay?
Michael, no.
Por lo menos prende la luz.
O sea, teacher, it's like a presentation, but in video call.
Exactly.
Oh, that is too bad. Cuarentena.
No, it's no.
Teacher, if we have sueño.
mean that we are in quarantena, that we are not gonna do class.
¿No?
Y Victoria ahí.
Sí, vamos a hacer clase.
Not vacations.
Señores, si
Victoria ahí
nosotros no
en
vamos...
el tiempo.
No voy a explicar. Si nosotros no vamos a la clase viene a nosotros. Así que funciona.
Ay, no.
Nosotros
No
sabemos.
pueden dejar tranquilo un segundo. Un segundo.
Es lo mismo, pero diferente.
Usted no se está cuenta.
Valentín,
Pero no se unidos.
don't.
That's sad.
Los dos.
Esto se me salió. Dios.
¿Y la profe?
Los dos chinos no se han unido.
Kevin is here.
Pero que no se unió.
¿Estás
¿Y
seguro?
tú quieres que yo no se una?
Bárbara,
¿Tú
Kevin
quieres
is
que yo
here.
no se una? Dime. Mira, ya se unió
Oigan,
uno.
paren.
Óyeme, Luis, dime qué.
Kevin is here.
Kevin está ahí.
Alma, por favor. Mute.
Okay, so you guys, do you have any other questions?
Espera, profe.
Everything's clear?
Oh, yes, like the water. Valeria, no me manda callar.
Everybody
tampoco.
knows what they need to do?
Yes, teacher. Yes.
Okay. Everybody is working on their Google Slides for Global Expo?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Everything you say is yes. Yes.
Working?
Yes.
Okay.
Ay, no. Yes, me too, yes.
So
Yes,
if
teacher.
we don't have any questions, then
No,
you
no,
can
no.
go all
No.
and start working with your assignment for this week. Those of you who haven't completed last week assignment, remember that it's due today, okay?
Teacher, o
Yes.
sea, para cosa esa del Global Expo, todo el mundo tiene que decir su parte.
I'm going to be asking questions like, what was your topic? What was your hypothesis?
Okay.
What did you learn? And stuff like that, okay? It's going to be really easy. Don't stress about that, okay? Don't stress.
La práctica de esta semana es lo del PowerPoint, lo del Digestive System.
Yes, the PowerPoint in the practice that I show that has a picture on it, that one. That needs to be completed by next Monday, okay? Next week. So you have an entire week to do that. Hi, Diego.
What, teacher? You can repeat that.
No.
We have an assignment, a new one,
Estamos bien,
that
Joey.
today, and
Wow, Valeria.
completed by next Monday.
Juliet.
Week to finish. Michael, thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, Michael, callar la boca.
Okay, so do we have any questions?
Tú también, Marcos.
You can write on the chat or you can like raise your hand if you have any questions.
Cortado, profe.
No escucho nada. No le gusta la tarea. Ya.
iPhone de Valeria.
Yo.
Dile no a un audio malo, compré un micrófono nuevo.